Hey you guys, so in today's video I'm going to be trying to start my motorcycle. I'll give you guys a quick little backstory. When I put the bike away over the winter, I did take the battery out. However, I only charged it about one time over the whole winter. And then when I went back out there to start it up and move it into the new storage unit, it did actually start the first time. So I brought it over to the new storage unit, shut it off, left it. I think it was about a week after that, I went out there to actually try and take the bike out of storage and bring it home. And it would not start, so I actually had to use this portable jump starter. I hooked it up onto the battery for maybe a minute or two, and then it started. And I was able to get it home, and then I let it sit for about another week, and it got really cold yesterday. I think it was about 30 something degrees, and I went out here trying to start it, and it wouldn't start. So I may have to use this again. Not sure yet. First things first, I'm going to try and start it without having to use the jump starter. So let's see here. See if I can do this one hand in here, sort of. Nope, so it is not going to start. Okay you guys, so now that I have both of the seats off, I have access to the battery. I'm going to hook the portable jump starter up, probably just leave it on there for a few minutes, and then I will try and start it again. Okay you guys, so now that it's been on there for a couple minutes, I'm going to try and start the bike again. Let's cross our fingers. So as you probably just heard, the bike still won't start. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take the battery out, bring it inside, and hook it up to that jump starter, or I'll hook it up to a battery tender. I'm not quite sure yet. And then what I will do is wait a little while, maybe a half hour, and then I will put the battery back into the bike, and then we'll see if the bike will start. I will catch you guys then. Okay you guys, so I ended up using this battery tender to charge the battery a little bit. It was probably on there for about an hour and a half. So the bike should start now. I'm going to get this put back into the bike, and then I will catch up with you guys and we'll see if the bike will start. Okay you guys, so got the battery back in there. Before I get the seats put back on and everything, I want to see if it'll actually start. Now hopefully it starts this time. Okay you guys, so as you can probably tell, the bike started. Yay, finally. So I'm probably going to need a new battery, possibly this year. The battery is probably about 4 years old now. But yeah, I got the bike to start. Hopefully it doesn't die again. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you guys next time.